Method 1, the easiest fix. Try the default password first.
The very first thing to try is the default password fuse. Go to your Lorex DVR login screen right now. First try username, admin, password, admin. Type it carefully and press enter.
If that fails now, try 6 zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then press enter.
Last default option, username admin, password completely blank. Just press enter without typing anything. If any default password worked terrific, you are back in. Go change your password immediately so this never happens again.
If none of these worked no problem at all. Method 2 uses your smartphone and takes under 3 minutes.